18 ways to earn money online from home without investment. Are you looking for the ways to earn money online? Did you try to make money online before but did not get success? Then no need to worry anymore because we have already trained more than 7 lakh peoples across the world and they are successfully making $300 to $2,000 per month. We are showing you below some of the best ways to earn money online. You can also download our training package which will help you to grow your income very fast. 18 ways to earn money online. Check some of the best ways below and start immediately. First of all, make money with online surveys. Here you can make money by completing small surveys which take 5 minutes to 20 minutes depending on the requirement of a particular company. You need to write your feedback and opinion in a survey. You just have to select your choice from the question and there is no need to write anything. You can make $1 to $20 depending on the length of the survey, your profile and the country you are living in. You can find more about paid surveys and join 20 best surveys sites.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई, चेक करो भला कोई इंप्रेशन वधे ने ते आपां फिर शुरू करिए अगर की हो गया।
Number 2, earn money with blogging. I have been making money with blogging from the last 7 to 8 years. I have made more than $1 million with blogging. I was so confused when I started blogging. I had absolutely no idea about blogging when I started in 2010. I worked very hard but made no money with blogging for almost 1 year. But I never give up. I was doing my research on topics like how to create a blog, how to write on your blog, and how to promote your blog. And things started in my favor after 1 year. I made my first $100 from blogging in 2011. Then there was no looking back. Today I am earning $25,000 per month from blogging. You can know more about my blogging journey, my income proofs, and a complete guide on how to start a blogging for free. Number 3, Become a CAPTCHA solver. If you have more free times 2 hours a day, then you can add future income in your pocket by working as a CAPTCHA solver. This is one of the easiest way to earn money online. As a CAPTCHA solver, you need to read the CAPTCHA image and type the exact characters.